Welcome to another episode of Code with Python on your phone. Today we're looking at while loops. While loop is simply a way of telling Python, keep running my code until you meet a particular condition and then you can stop. Simple and short. It can be used in several applications. It can be used maybe in password retrials, countdown timers, and all of the likes, right? So we're going to be writing a very simple while loop in this regard. The first thing you must do in a while loop is you must first set the original variable to hold the number, to hold the set a variable to hold your count, right? And then once you do that, you are now going to write out the condition that says, while count is less than, you can say maybe 10. That means while count is less than 10, keep running the code I am typing here, which is print counting. Keep running the code in this box here, right, which is print counting. I'll put counting, right? So once you do that, we're telling Python that keep running this code so far the count is less than 5. But once it's greater than 5, you stop. So how do we know that the count is less than 5 or greater than 5? How does the count keep incrementing? What we're now going to do is we're now going to do a count equals count plus 1. However, so what this is doing is saying that for every time you run this code, the count variable increases by 1. So that by the time you run it the first time, the count will become 1. With this count that is 0 at the top here will become 1. By the time you run it again the second time, it will go 1 plus 1. That's 2, saying that you've counted it or you've run the code 2 times. But there's an easier and faster way of writing this. Instead of writing this whole thing, you can just simply write using it's called, you can use this plus equals 1. It's a part of an assignment operator. So I can go ahead and run this code. So once I run this code, you can see now that it has run this code 10 times in consecutive order. And once it got to, if you count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 10, while it is less than 10. And you can see that once it went above 10, automatically it just ended the code and broke. So a very quick challenge for you. I want you to write another while loop that will be able to run, and this time is going to count from 0 to 15, and type done in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye.